girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. And yes, I have not uploaded in 2 weeks, and yes, y'all, it's been a struggle. But I am still on this challenge. This is water, Topo Chico. This is my favorite drink. Literally drink one every day. But anyways, I'm gonna stop trying to get away from the issue. I have not uploaded, you guys, because I was in a bad, not like I was in a bad place, so dramatic, but I really was, like, I don't know. So remember I uploaded last, so anyways, my uploadings have been off anyways, but week 3 I uploaded it, right? And I was like, y'all, I uploaded it on that Thursday, so I was in the middle of week 4, and I was like, y'all, this week is not going good for me. If you hear some noise in the background, that is my air fryer. I'm air frying some chicken right now. I'm looking real rough because I just left boxing class. Whew, and they told me honey. But anyways, yeah, so I don't know what really got into me, guys, and I was like, Celeste, you should still upload. But I was just like, literally, I was like, if I upload, it would make any sense to upload, because I would have uploaded on Thursday and then uploaded again on Sunday, and I was like, I'm just gonna upload week 4's video. I'm just gonna skip week 3. So this is actually a week 3 and 4 video. I'm gonna tell y'all how it went. I put everything up here. This is my mama's. She was in the Air Force. I don't know why I have this on. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So week 3, so this is what happened. Okay, I remember. So week 3, that's when I was like feeling real down, y'all. I don't know what happened, because I did so well. I was so motivated. But like, I had went out of town, right? First, let me just tell y'all the weight. Let me just get that out of the way. So it wasn't even that bad. So week 3, I had gained 3.2 pounds, right? And I just like, I don't know why I just took it so hard. I think I took it so hard because like the 2 weeks prior to that, I was doing so good. Like, I was seeing results, and I don't know, like, this is what happened. So week 3, I gained 3.2 pounds, and then this week that just passed, I lost 0.8, which is literally nothing. But you know, it's a start. I actually like got my head back on straight. But anyways, let me start. Stay on task. So not losing my train of thought. So sorry, that was disgusting. So week 3, I went to Austin, right? I went to go visit I went to go visit one of my best friends. She lives in Austin, right? And so like, for some reason, like when I'm out of my element, like when I'm out of like my routine, I just like, it's like a slippery slope for me. And so when I went to Austin, I did pretty well. So like, we went to California Pizza Kitchen. I had the cauliflower crust pizza, and I had the Enlighten, it's like this keto ice cream. I love it. I had that. And I felt like I had did well, and then I came back and I had weighed myself, and it was like the 3.2 pounds. So somewhere in between that, I don't know, because I didn't have like bread or anything. I don't know, maybe I just had more carbs than I don't know. But anyways, I was in Austin, right? So I had gained the 3.2 pounds that Sunday when I weighed in. Well, that Monday, because I didn't have a scale, so I weighed in that Monday when I came back, because I was weighing in the morning. 3.2 pounds, and I don't know, it just really got to me. And I was working out, but like, normally I burn 600 calories. So when I go to boxing class, I burn 600 calories, and I'll leave. That week, I was like burning like 100 calories. If this is in like an hour, like 30 minutes to an hour, like burning 100 calories, at the most 300 calories. Like, you know, not myself, not pushing myself, just like half-assing. I don't know what was going on with me. I was just like, it was really weird. Not depressed. I wasn't depressed. It was just like, you know how sometimes you just get overwhelmed? Like, I was like, work was just taking a toll on me. Just, I don't know. And when my apartment is a mess, like, when like things around me are like just like chaotic, I just like freak. So that week, I wasn't like, so the good thing, I think the thing that helped me not gain as much weight is that for lunch, I was still meal prepping. So I was still having my salad and the snack. So I wasn't ingesting that many calories. But then for dinner, that's when it kind of just went downhill. Like, I wasn't eating bad, but like, so one night I just had 2 bags of popcorn for dinner. So that's like not good. And then the next week I had got sick. So that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I was not feeling well at all. So I was just drinking, I was just eating soup and like crackers and stuff. So I was having a lot of carbs. And then that Saturday I went to San Antonio. I went home, and my mom threw down for Easter dinner, and I I went in. I was like, man, forget these cars, forget this weight. She got to go in. So I did that, and then that was like the slippery slope. So I had that food. It was macaroni and cheese, dressing, chicken. It was just a good old soul food meal, and I haven't had those. Like, literally, I don't know how to cook like that, so the only time I get it is when I go home, and I don't really go home that often. So when I go home and my mom cooks like that, I'm eating. Like, I don't care. So that happened. And then so once I get it in my body, I can't stop. So this past week, y'all, I don't know what was, I was just eating like crazy. Like, I'm literally surprised that I lost the 0.8 pounds because I was eating, like, my dinners were like, I was eating a lot of sweets. I had cupcakes. Like, one day I had 2 cupcakes. The next day I had a cupcake, some pecan pie. I don't know what I was on. Like, I was just out here doing stuff that I don't do. And it was so crazy because, like I told y'all, like, I was so motivated because, like, Jamaica's coming up. And I'm like, Celeste, like, you know, I don't know. But the good thing is that Friday, that's when it clicked. I was like, Celeste, like, if you don't stop, girl, you're gonna look up and you're gonna be like 10 pounds weight loss and you're gonna be really sad. So I was like, you know what, girl, like, just get your life. So Saturday I went into boxing class and I just like put forth all my energy. I was just like, girl, I put forth everything I had, burned those calories, and I felt so good. Like, it was like my body was like, yes, girl, we needed this. Like, I don't know. So like that next morning I had got on the scale and like the scale had dropped some, and I was like, that's super weird. So I don't know if it's because like all the toxic stuff I was putting in my body, I don't know, but I felt really good. And then Saturday I went to boxing class, I went hard, and then after that I literally went to the park and did 3 miles. So I was feeling good. Sunday I didn't work out. I cleaned my apartment up because I was like, if I can just get my apartment in order, it'll help me just like mentally just be okay. So I did that, and today is now Monday, and I'm back in a good place. So yeah, I don't know, guys, I'm sorry for not uploading. Like, I should have just uploaded anyways, but I was like, I just don't, it wasn't that I didn't want to upload because like I had fell off. It wasn't that. It was just like, you know, sometimes you just like, I don't even know. I was just like, I just wasn't in the right mindset to be uploading, trying to motivate anybody, because I couldn't even motivate myself, and I was just like in a bad place. But anyways, I am back on it. So we literally have, I think, 5 weeks left. So this is week 5 that we're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 weeks left. So we have 6 weeks left. I am back refocused. I have some new videos coming. I really just had to just get my life. So I feel like I have gotten my life. Today I went to boxing class and I pushed myself. I was like, I'm not leaving until I do my 600 calories. So I was like, either you're gonna, if you go slow and BS, you're just gonna be here longer. So I was like, just push, girl, just push. So I did that. Today at work they had some peach cobbler and ice cream, and I was like, oh, and I resisted. I did have some dark chocolate though. But other than that, I just had my lunch. I meal prep. You can kind of see my meal prep a little bit in the refrigerator. Oh, you can't see it, but I have my meal preps right there. So I went to the grocery store, I meal prepped, I have my salad, my turkey and cheese. It's the same thing that I had that I showed in my meal prep video. I just keep the same thing. I just change up the protein on the salad so I don't get bored. So this week I'm having chicken thighs, which for me is different because I don't like dark meat, I only like white meat. But I found this recipe and I was like, I'm gonna try it, and it was actually pretty good. I had it today. So that is that. I got this today at Ross. I mean at Marshall's. They're this sliding disc because y'all, Jamaica is literally in 5 weeks, honey, and she needs to be snatched, and right now she ain't snatched. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. So the positive thing in all of this, these are the little things, you put them on the ground. They're like cord discs. When I had a trainer, he used to use these all the time and they were really good. So I got some of these to just do some, y'all know I do the home workouts. I'm gonna record it. I keep saying I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna actually record it. I'm gonna record it tonight. And so somebody's trying to bust in this apartment. No, ma'am. Yes. But I will say the good thing in all this is that I have some new pictures. So I took pictures today because, like, y'all, this stomach, like, it's so weird. My stomach is just out of there. Like, she's looking about 3 months pregnant. It's not cute. But these are gonna be my photos from like from here on. So I'm gonna have this photo that I upload today, it's just gonna be by itself, and then for the next 6 weeks this will be like my before and after photo. So that's good, because you remember I was like, I don't know what photo to use. Well, she has a good starting point because she's looking real nasty right now. And yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like I finally cleared my mind and I'm back. Like sometimes you just have to like just refocus, and I'm back refocused. And reading the like the one thing that made me like it was just like, Celeste, you know, just snap out of your girl, just re-upload. It's like I see you guys' comments, right? So like I'm like, oh, okay, I have to upload because they're out here doing their part, I have to do my part. So that helped me a lot. And like when I was feeling really down, like that video I uploaded, the last video I uploaded, I was like so like, ugh, I was just so over it. I was like, damn, I'm putting in all this freaking work. Like, she's about to get emotional right now. Sometimes I'm just like, I'm putting in all this work and like, you know, you don't see the results that you want as fast. But I have to think. And another thing is, guys, is I have BDD really bad. So like, even when like when I went home, my parents haven't seen me, and my sister, they haven't seen me in like since January. They're like, Celeste, you lost a lot of weight. And like for me, I can't see it. So it's hard for me to be like, to see what other people see. So that gets to me too, because sometimes I'll wake up and I'm like, well, girl, you look. My camera literally like stopped recording. But like I was saying, my BDD be hitting me real hard sometimes, and it's like, it's really hard for me to like just like see myself for myself sometimes. So like sometimes like I don't see, like I'll have a good day, I'm like, oh my gosh, Celeste, like, you know, I see results, and then some days I'm just like, it ain't here. So that's, I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. It's just a hot mess in itself. If you struggle from BDD, you already know. It's just like, I don't even know. So like I said, I finally got my life back. I'm back on it. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna try to record. I'm gonna record my home workout that I do. I'm gonna actually like try to like use my social media more often, so I think that'll help me stay. I know I made the Instagram the Instagram page, the Snatch Chronicles. Yeah, she hasn't uploaded in that since she made it. But maybe on my Instagram I'll like actually post some stuff. What is this? Like, you know, me going to the gym, just proof of my working out to stay accountable. And oh my lord, like when people post stuff this long, like who's supposed to really read it? Y'all can't see it, but it's like, who's reading this? Like, girl, stop. But yes, enough of me blabbering on. I will be back. And that's another thing, I'm not going out of town for the next 6 weeks, so I have no excuse not to upload on Sundays. Like, I'm back on track, you know. I just need to just have my system and stick to it. So I'm really excited about that. My chicken, ooh, looks so good. I'm so hungry. 7:30. I have 30 minutes to eat, and my chicken still has about 10 more minutes to cook. But yes, guys, I'm back. Let me know how y'all's week and a half has been. 2 weeks have been your week 3 and week 4. Hopefully you guys did better than me. And we're still in this together. Like, no matter what, I'm not gonna fall off anymore. I'm not gonna not record, even if I'm just literally put a 3-second video and say I'm here. I'm gonna do that. But hopefully these next 6 weeks, not even hopefully, these next 6 weeks are gonna be successful. Literally this morning I was like going around my apartment making proclamations. I was like, Celeste, girl, you are gonna do this. Food is not gonna control you. You can beat these cravings. You're gonna be snatched for Jamaica. I talk to myself a lot. But anyways, yes, I did that and I felt really good. I was at the gym working hard. And yes, I'm excited. So we're in this, y'all. We got this, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.